to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories, or how you can add same music to many Instagram stories. So if you want to add the same song to multiple Instagram stories, you can follow this step. So the Instagram doesn't have a built-in feature to automatically apply the same song to multiple stories, so you have to do it manually. So here's our process how you can do that. First of all, you have to launch your Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Instagram here, you have to swipe right from the home feed and tap on the camera icon, which is on the top left corner, to start or create all new stories. Let's go for that. Once you are on your camera icon here, you have to go and add a photo on your story. Once you are done, you have to go for the add a music to each of the story manually. So just go here and long press on one of these stories and go for the next option. Once you are here, go for the separate here. Don't go for the layout. And after selecting your story here, you have to add music to each story individually. So here you can see that you have to tap on the sticker icon here. Just go here and just let's support this and go for the done option. And after that, you have to tap another story. Just go for the music option and you can add that story and song here. Just go and click on the done option here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily put the same song on multiple stories here. Just go for the next option and go for the share option here. So just go for the done option. So in a summary, to post the same song on multiple Instagram story, you have to manually add the song to each story by selecting the music sticker and choosing the song you want. And you can create the template with the song for easier videos, and you can also save the song to your favorite for the quick access. So this app will ensure that each story maintain a constant musical theme. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily put the same song to the story. Just go for your story here, and here you can see here you can look your each story has the same song here. You can see that. So with the help of this process, you can easily put the same song on the multiple stories. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.